Are you ready to unlock a world of online income possibilities? You don't need to be a tech whiz or have a ton of cash to get started. One-page websites are changing the game. They're simple, effective, and can become your ticket to earning passive income. Imagine waking up to money in your account even while you sleep. That's the power of online business. One-page websites are like little gold mines waiting for you to tap into their potential. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned entrepreneur, this is your chance to build something special. This isn't about getting rich quick. It's about putting in the work, learning the ropes, and watching your website grow into a money-making machine. We'll guide you every step of the way with easy-to-understand explanations and actionable tips. So, are you ready to embark on this exciting journey? Let's dive in and explore the world of one-page websites. Okay, but what exactly is a one-page website? It's just like it sounds. A website with all the good stuff on a single page. No clicking through tons of links or complicated menus, just pure focused content for your visitors. Why are these streamlined websites so great? For starters, they're super easy to navigate. People can find what they need in a flash. Plus, they load quickly, which Google loves. And let's be honest, no one wants to wait around for a slow website. But here's the best part, one-page websites are incredibly simple to build and manage. You don't need to be a coding genius or hire an expensive web developer. There are tons of user-friendly tools and platforms that make it a breeze. So if you're looking for a straightforward and effective way to build an online presence, generate leads, or sell products, a one-page website might be your perfect solution. Now, let's talk about the fun part, making money. 2 words, AdSense and affiliates. These are your secret weapons for turning your one-page website into a cash-generating machine. Google AdSense is like renting out space on your website. You display targeted ads, and Google pays you every time someone clicks. The best part? It's completely passive. You set it up once, and the money rolls in. Affiliate marketing is like being a salesperson, but without the pushy tactics. You recommend products or services you love and provide a special link. When someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. It's a win-win. The key is to choose products and services that are relevant to your audience. If your website is about gardening, promote gardening tools or seeds. Make sense? Keep it real, keep it relevant, and watch your earnings soar. Building a one-page website is easier than you think. No coding knowledge required, promise. We'll break it down into simple steps you can follow, even if you're a complete beginner. First things first, you'll need a domain name like www.yourawesomewebsite.com. Think of it as your online address. Then choose a web hosting provider. They're like the landlord for your website. Next up, pick a website builder. There are tons of options out there like WordPress, Wix, and Squarespace. They offer drag-and-drop interfaces and pre-designed templates, so you don't have to start from scratch. Now for the fun part, designing your website. Keep it clean, visually appealing, and easy to navigate. Use high-quality images, clear headings, and concise text. Remember, less is more when it comes to one-page websites. Finally, add your content, including your AdSense ads and affiliate links. Don't forget a strong call to action. Tell people what you want them to do, whether it's signing up for your email list or making a purchase. Section 5, driving traffic to your website. SEO, social media, and AI to the rescue. Building a stunning website is just the beginning. You need to get people to actually visit it. That's where traffic generation comes in. Don't worry, we've got you covered. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is like putting your website on the map. By using relevant keywords throughout your content, you can improve your chances of ranking higher in search results. The higher you rank, the more visible you are to potential customers. Social media is your best friend when it comes to spreading the word about your awesome website. Create engaging content, share it on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and watch your traffic soar. And hold on tight, because AI is here to make your life even easier. AI-powered tools can help you with everything from keyword research and content creation to social media scheduling. It's like having a personal assistant for your website. Section 6, scaling up, turning your one-page wonder into a money-making machine. Once your one-page website is up and running, it's time to think about scaling up. This means taking your website to the next level and maximizing your earning potential. Exciting, right? One way to scale is by expanding your content. Add new sections, blog posts, or even consider creating a multi-page website. The more valuable content you provide, the more attractive your website becomes to both visitors and search engines. Another strategy is to leverage email marketing. Offer a freebie, like an ebook or checklist, in exchange for email addresses. This allows you to build a loyal audience and promote your products or services directly to their inbox. Don't forget about paid advertising. Platforms like Google Ads and Facebook Ads allow you to target your ideal audience with laser precision. While it requires an investment, it can be a highly effective way to drive traffic and boost your earnings. Section 7, AI Content Creation, your secret weapon for effortless website growth. Creating fresh and engaging content is crucial for keeping your website alive and thriving. But who has time for that, right? Enter AI Content Creation, your new secret weapon for effortless website growth. AI-powered writing tools are becoming increasingly sophisticated. They can help you generate high-quality blog posts, articles, social media updates, and even website copy in a fraction of the time it would take you to do it manually. Don't worry, we're not talking about replacing human creativity. AI tools are here to assist you, not replace you. They can help you overcome writer's block, generate content ideas, and even improve your writing style. The best part? Many AI content creation tools offer free trials or affordable plans, making them accessible to businesses of all sizes. So why not give it a try and see how AI can take your content game to the next level? Section 8, the beauty of passive income. Watch the money roll in while you relax. One of the most alluring aspects of online business is the potential for passive income. Imagine earning money while you sleep, travel the world, or simply enjoy your free time. Sounds pretty dreamy, right? While it's important to understand that building a passive income stream takes time and effort, it's definitely achievable. One-page websites with their low maintenance and monetization options are an excellent vehicle for generating passive income. Once you've set up your website, optimized it for search engines, and implemented your monetization strategies, you can sit back and watch the money roll in. Of course, you'll need to monitor your website's performance and make adjustments along the way, but the effort required is minimal compared to traditional jobs. So if you're looking for a way to escape the 9-to-5 grind and achieve financial freedom, building a one-page website and generating passive income could be your ticket to a brighter future. Section 9. Ready, set, launch. Your journey to online success starts today. Congratulations. You've made it to the end of our crash course on making money with one-page websites. You've learned what they are, how to build them, and how to turn them into profitable online businesses. Now it's time to put your newfound knowledge into action. Don't let fear or doubt hold you back. Take that first step, even if it's just brainstorming a domain name or researching web hosting providers. Remember, building a successful online business is a marathon, not a sprint. There will be challenges along the way, but with persistence, determination, and a willingness to learn, you can overcome any obstacle. So are you ready to embark on this exciting adventure and unlock your online earning potential? The world is waiting to hear your story.